Hello, people. If anyone had told me that by now I would be carrying a natural hair, I wouldn't have believed it. But to be honest with you, I am already enjoying it. Yes, I came out to make my hair and let's see how it will look. Boom! Here, the plating is still ongoing and the girls are helping out. My hair, I have a very full hair, and for you to make my hair, there had to be up to 3 or 4 to run it quickly. So let's see how it will come out. Bam, bam, bam. As you can see, the hairstyle is almost true. Well, they're in their finishing level now. I don't know. I will tell you the name of this hairstyle later, but let's see how it will come out. So watch it and see the real African queen. Bam, bam, bam. Gịnị na-afịọ n'enu m n'ọrụ ndị Afrịka enenebe eji ọrụ achala ugo akpụ na anwụ ọmụmụ asa ahụ chai n'enu m. So try it out. African hair is the best. Bye bye. Like I said earlier, feminism, misogyny, misandry, and misogamy are all products of troubled marriages, okay, or even domestic violence. So for any of you guys who are hearing or seeing this video who fall into this category, I suggest and recommend that you go for healing or rehabilitation. Okay, you need to heal spiritually, physically. That you are a misogynist does not mean that you should preach against people getting married. You don't need to go about saying that marriage is a scam or relationship is a scam. Now for you misandry, you don't need to go about saying men are scum. You misogyny, you don't need to go about hating women and all that. So you all need to go and heal, okay, in order not to break marriages with your teaching, okay, especially for those preachers here on social media preaching against one thing or the other from their critical perspective. Okay, please, I hope you like this video. Know that these people are, like I said, need to heal. Okay, you need to heal spiritually, physically, okay, and mentally. Okay, marriage is a sweet thing. God has already ordained it. So for some reason you don't want to settle down, you need to heal, you need to be delivered. For some reason you hate men, you need to heal, you need to be delivered. For some reason you hate women, you need to heal to be delivered. Okay, for those extreme feminists, you also need to heal. Okay, I love you guys. Please do not fail to like, share this video.